Hey guys, JHub here, and we got a treat for you today. We got the new A50X unboxing for you. Now, some of y'all Googled discount code just to try to find something quickly. If you're looking for that, code JHub10 will save you 10% off at checkout. Link is down in the description. I've done the same thing looking for discount codes, so right off the bat, there it goes for you. But we are going to do an unboxing today of this new headset. Now, a lot of y'all have been asking when a new A50 set is coming out. Well, today is the day. We officially have it released. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open, and then we'll kind of like compare it against previous A50s, and we'll talk about what's different. Once you have the tape cut on all three sides, you'll be able to open it up like this in a more premium way. Right here on the top, you've got the QR code if you're looking to set it up or have some support. Also wrapped in some fabric-like paper. So this right here is the new A50X sitting in. I got black. They do come in both black and white. Let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at it. So we're gonna put it up close. So one of the couple of new features that are coming with this new headset. The number one thing though I wanna point out, a lot of y'all saw my previous video on the A50 microphone test. I can go ahead and say this is hands down a much better microphone than the previous generation of A50. That was the downside of the previous generation, but this one is much better. Now, there's one key thing that a lot of you out there might actually be able to make use of, especially if you have multiple consoles. So we're gonna go ahead and set down the A50s, and we're gonna pull out of the box the thing that they have overhauled for the person who has many consoles to make your life easier when you want to swap from one to the next. It's going to be this box right here. We'll go ahead and set this back down. We'll open up this box. You have some paperwork in here. And then how-to instructions if you need assistant plugging things up. And then we have wrapped in the same type of fabric, the base station. So I do have the previous models of A50s over here, and we'll be able to show you and compare what has changed, but we'll go ahead and pull this out and we're going to show you the back of this. So what you're seeing is two different HDMI input ports as well as one HDMI out port. So basically what you're going to do now is take your PS5 and your Xbox and you're going to plug them into the base station itself via HDMI, and then you're going to run one HDMI out to your TV. This will allow you to just quick switch between consoles. So basically what this does is it rips the audio from the signal and sends it to your headset while sending the video signal directly to your TV. So if you want to go from Xbox to PlayStation, you can easily swap, or if you're like an Xbox to Nintendo Switch kind of person, you can do that as well. Just with a flip of a switch on the side of your headset, you can easily swap over. So no more unplugging, replugging, anything like that. It's literally just button, good to go. Also in the box, you will find your power outlet, the adapters for it, as well as the power cables to help run this thing, especially if you are running it to the PlayStation, because it does need a little bit of extra power. Alrighty, so now I went and pulled off my desk the previous A50s that y'all are used to watching me on stream. You're gonna be able to see them compared side by side. This is the previous A50s. These are the new A50s. As you can see, it's a bit sleeker of a design. They're just as compact as one another. The previous base station before the last generation of A50s was actually quite large. I can go ahead and bring it over here for you to see. If you see it, it's almost double the width. All right, so now I want to do a comparison between base stations. As you can see, they're about the exact same size. It is just as compact as the previous generation, but if you know on the A50X base station, you will see those HDMI inputs and the one output, as well as having that USB-C connection for your console versus the old base station, which has optical cable, 3.5 millimeter USB output for charging your headset if it's on your head, as well as the connection to your PC. They have upgraded from the old micro USB style to now the USB-C. And continuing on with the new A50X base station, this actually uses HDMI 2.1. So it's gonna allow you to have 24-bit audio coming out of this bad boy into your headset, while also allowing you to have 4K 120 hertz going to your TV. So you shouldn't have to worry about audio loss, and everything should be good to go visually on your TV as well. And moving back over to the A50X headset itself, they have the new Pro G graphene drivers, which is going to help with that audio clarity and reduce any distortion that you might have. Now, you can couple this with the Logitech JHub software, which is going to allow you to use different EQ modes and balance out the audio the way you want it in game. Whether you want to hear footsteps more clearly, maybe the music a little bit better, you can actually modify all of these things in the JHub software, so you can actually modify the audio for whatever suits your needs best. And that is my unboxing video for the A50X. Now, in the future, I am going to make a mic comparison video. It seems a lot of people had interest in the previous one with the last generation of A50s. So we're gonna get this bad boy hooked up. We're gonna get the old A50s hooked up, and we're gonna send them head to head so you can see what the improvements are like in these new headsets, because it's actually a massive improvement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop me a like if you have, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.